From Oakland. Hi, I'm Meli Spaghetti and welcome back to my channel. So today I brought my best friend Steve in here and we're going to do an unboxing video for this VegOut City Box. It's a vegan subscription box and I found out about it through Instagram and hopefully it has good things in here. So I already sliced and diced it, so let's just get to opening. So it has themes for every city that they get like their products from, and I guess this month is San Francisco.
So first thing, we have a coupon. $1 off Miyoko's Creamery.
Is that in San Francisco? We can't even go there.
Expires this summer.
Let's go to San Francisco.
On Kevin's birthday.
Oh, we're going for your birthday, Kevin. It comes with a knife.
I think that won't hang on me.
You could slice cheese with this knife, or like butter.
Or peanut butter.
Or peanut butter. Look, they have horchata soap.
Nice. Can I smell it?
It smells like...
It smells like candles.
It smells like cinnamon more.
We have Timo roast coffee.
We got coffee beans from Peru.
From Peru.
I'm using that. We got mixed nuts from Nana Joe's. Orange spice nuts, and it comes with pecans, walnuts, cashews, and almonds. So that's pretty cool.
We have a candle. A premium pure soy candle from San Francisco.
What does it smell like? That's so cute. It's so small. Iconic height and Ashburn.
Whatever that is.
I don't know. It smells like... It smells like very earthy. I like it.
It smells like Lush.
It smells like Lush?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. And then the last thing we have in our box is Hey Boo Coconut Sea Salt Caramels.
Hey Boo.
Hey Boo. You can eat these, Steve.
Thank you.
So you can try one. I don't think these have coconut. I think I said it before that I found out I'm allergic to coconut, and a lot of vegan stuff have coconut in it, so that's a big problem. But I brought Steve to take all the coconut stuff.
It tastes like caramel.
It's sea salt caramel, though. You can open this. I got it. No, wait, no, I did. Yeah, I got it. It's alright. It tastes like nuts you would eat at like Christmas time with like, I don't know, like an orange tea.
These taste like Thanksgiving.
Oh, they kind of do taste like Thanksgiving. I would say that.
Pumpkin pie. These like pumpkin pie.
Okay, so the little card in here says, "Welcome to San Francisco. Cable cars, the Golden Gate Bridge, and gorgeous Victorian homes are just a few of the sights you will see as you tour the city on the bay. Home to the hills, Fisherman's Wharf, and the infamous Alcatraz Island, San Francisco has no shortage of attractions. Check out Lombard Street and Nob Hill or enjoy some vegan-friendly delights." Fun vegan facts about San Francisco. Local company Hampton Creek recently debuted its new Just Scrambled Eggless Eggs at Floor, a vegan restaurant in the city's Castro district. The Museum of African Diaspora chef in residence Bryant Terry is vegan. He is also the author of Afro-Vegan, Farm Fresh African, Caribbean, and Southern Flavors Remixed.
Oh boy.
That sounds kind of good. The city has a number of all-vegan restaurants, including Loving Hut, Vegan Picnic, Gracias Madre, and Veganburg. East Bay vegan restaurants include Millennium, The Veg Hub, Next Level Burger, and more. The World Veg Festival, organized by the SF Veg Society, rocks an 18-year history of educating, informing, and inspiring folks on all things plant-based. All products in this box are 100% vegan. And then it has like little descriptions of everything in the box. So the candle, I should take it. It's 100% soy wax and individually handcrafted. Enjoy the scents of absinthe, mint, eucalyptus, patchouli, and sandalwood. It's like right up my alley. I'm keeping this.
Okay.
You could have the soap. The Hey Boo Jam Sea Salt Caramels. They're sweet and salty coconut taste inspired by the vibrant flavors of Southeast Asia. The Eda and Billy horchata soap. Organic, gentle, and handcrafted. Can you say ah? Nana Joe's granola orange spiced mixed nuts. Vegan and gluten-free, creating community through food with handcrafted batches and fresh, healthy ingredients. Miyoko's Kitchen cheese knife and coop. I was right, it is a cheese knife. With so many amazing artisan organic vegan cheeses to choose from, Miyoko provides the serving knife and a discount to choose your favorite. There's vegan cheeses. I could eat cheese and wine still with this knife. And a
Dang.
coupon.
$1 off a product.
$1 off a cheese. And then Timeless Coffee, Peru, Puno, Apro, Cafe. Number 2. Savor the small batch roast with flavors of amaretto and cacao from Oakland. From Oakland's Olive Cafe and Baker. Anyways, that's it for today, I guess. It was a small little box, but it seems pretty cool. It was like $40 a box. I know they did Los Angeles and Portland already, and you can get those boxes separately on their website. And then I think for March that they're doing Denver, so hopefully that box is pretty cool. And if you like this, leave a like, a comment, make sure you subscribe, and then I'll make sure to put out these videos like every month. And yeah, so until next time, I'm Meli Spaghetti.
And I'm Stevie.
Bye.
Bad idea.